Yeah, now we are at the Affordable restaurant. And this is in the Alnada Dubai branch, and there are two more branches. This is one is Satwa and the other one is in Sahara.
So, andun yung For the Cup. So, ang dining area niya, ito. Ito ang dining area niya. Tapos, andun yung parang pinaka-kitchen. So, ang parking niya, dito. Andun yung highway. Okay. Sige. Sam, dali mo naman tayo sa loob. Sam, gusto mo silang invite?
Oh yeah, and guys, I would like to invite you to a photo job, and it's also in Satwa, but this is also good, and it's really good since the air conditioning is very nice, and the view is very good.
Okay. So, ito yung For the Cup. For the Cup. Dali mo tayo sa loob, anak. Ito po yung magaganda lang staff. Hi!
This is the entrance of the dining area, and it's really spacious.
So, ito na. Siyempre, kumakain na.
Hindi, kasi tumutulo lang. Sayang. Manadala ko sa mga yan.
Maganda yung kanyang dining area. So, ito yung extension. Napakaganda ng presentation. Andun yung pinaka-kitchen niya. Oh, Michelle, ano ba in-order mo?
Sisi, langka, halo-halo.
Langka. Oh,
Masarap daw, masarap.
Oh, yung palabok. Ito yung palabok. Ito yung paborito ko rito, guys.
Titigyan din ako ng palabok.
Oh, wala nang natira sa atin. Oo.
Want me to try?
Oh, yung bag mo baka madumi ha, matilamsi ka, no?
Wala ko pala.
Sorry.
Yan, oo.
Bukan. Gutom na. Gutom lang.
So, anong masasabi mo sa food dito?
Sarap
First time mo ba
dito.
rito?
Second time.
Yung first time?
Dito rin. With date namin ng asawa ko nag-isa.
Alam niyo guys, lagi lang naman si Mrs. ang kasama ko dahil wala naman ako ibang dinidate.
Which Mrs.?
Which Mrs.? Siyempre si Mama lang.
Sure.
At eto na ang reinforcement.
Yes po. Wait lang po.
Wow, sarap. Ang creamy.
Wow, sarap naman, oh.
For sharing naman.
First grade.
Mainit po.
Kaya nila yan.
Tsaka yung staff dito, kung mapapansin nyo, parang talagang presentable, maganda, tapos magaling siyang magsalita. Parang vlogger din.
Thank you, sir.
Ganda lang.
Oh,
Dami
Sam?
cheese, diba? I told you. Ang creamy.
Sam baby, invite mo na sila at this will be the end of our video.
Oh yeah, so guys, don't forget to comment, like, and it's optional, but subscribe.
It's mandatory.
It's mandatory, ha?
Well, it's
Subscribe.
optional.
By the way, yung kanilang pinaka-head dito, pinaka-manager or supervisor, tingnan nyo naman, ang lahat ng staff nila magaganda, very...
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Anong ba masasabi mo rito? Take the opportunity, invite mo sila sa inyong
yes
For the
po.
Cup.
Visit po kayo sa For the Cup. Nandito po kami sa Alnada, sa may Latifa Tower po. Thank you so much po.
Ayun.